Hi, today we're taking a closer look at these Coco Coir planter liners. This is an all-natural fiber liner, and it's made to go in these planters, these decorative planters, the metal types, so that you can fill them up with dirt and plant your flowers. So why would you want to use these in your planters versus a plastic pot? First of all, they're sustainable materials. It's all natural fibers, so it supports root growth. And then also, I don't know if you know this, but when you water, these can hold up to 10 times their own weight in moisture. So that right there is helpful if you have a hot sunny deck and you want to keep these plants moist. That's going to be very, very useful. Also, the Coco Coir is sterile. There's no weed seed or anything like that mixed into it. So that this is just a pure sterile type fabric to line your plants with. So okay, I'm giving this a soak in some water for about 10 or 15 minutes so that it'll make it easier to shape it to the planter. Okay, so here we are. The coconut liners worked out really well, and then as they settle in there, they'll take more of the shape of those containers, but look how pretty that is.